Wake up to a richer you. Tired of the daily 9 to 5 grind? What if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep? It's called dividend investing, and it's the ultimate passive income strategy. This is the lazy person's guide to getting rich. Passive income is the holy grail of personal finance. It's money that flows into your account without you lifting a finger. Imagine waking up with extra dollars in your pocket thanks to dividends. And I will show you why right now. Sleepless nights? We've all been there, staring at the ceiling, counting the hours until morning. The stress of daily life can keep anyone awake. But what if there was a way to turn those sleepless nights into a time of financial growth? Try counting dividend checks instead of sheep. Imagine the comfort of knowing that while you sleep, your money is working for you, generating income. Here are some scenarios you can learn from. Take Sarah, a teacher who invested in dividend-paying stocks. Every week, she bought $25 worth of dividend-paying stocks. After 5 years, with a 5% dividend yield, she receives regular annual dividend payments of about $360 every year after taxes that supplement her salary. Or John, a retired firefighter traveling the world on his dividend income. His investments provide a steady stream of income after buying dividend stocks every month over 20 years. After investing $500 every month with an 8% dividend yield, he receives regular dividend payments of about $20,000 every year that supplements his retirement income. These are examples of achieving financial freedom through dividends. By making informed choices, anyone can build a portfolio that generates passive income. So the next time you find yourself tossing and turning, consider dividend investing. It might be the key to a restful night's sleep and a prosperous future. The secret society of dividend earners. Don't worry, it's easy to join. You're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true. Here's the secret. There isn't one. Anyone can start earning dividends with a brokerage account and a phone. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders, usually from profits. Let's dive into specific strategies to maximize your dividend income. Focus on high-quality dividend-paying stocks with a strong track record. For beginners, you may want to stick with dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have paid and grown their dividends every year for at least 25 years. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a video specifically about dividend aristocrats. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble are prime examples. Pay attention to the dividend yield and payout ratio. A higher yield can mean more income, but be cautious of extremely high yields. For instance, the stock IDUMY has a whopping 110% dividend yield. But on the flip side, the stock price is down over 40% this year alone. Consider enrolling in a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, to automatically reinvest your dividends and compound your returns. Diversify your dividend portfolio across various sectors such as tech, hospitality, agriculture, and more to reduce risk and ensure a more stable income stream. Celebrate your dividend milestones. These achievements remind you of the progress you're making and keep you motivated to continue investing. Ultimately, the goal is financial freedom to do what you love. Start today and watch your financial future unfold. The power of compounding, it's like magic, but with money. Compounding is earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball getting bigger as it goes. The longer you let it compound, the more wealth you'll accumulate. Now that you have a foundational understanding of dividend investing, let's take it a step further with advanced dividend strategies to maximize your dividend income and secure your financial future. First, let's talk about dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. These plans allow you to automatically reinvest your cash dividends into additional shares of the company's stock, compounding your returns over time. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow bigger with each passing season. Next, consider high-yield dividend stocks. These are stocks that pay out a higher percentage of their profits as dividends. While they can be riskier, they also offer the potential for greater rewards, such as REITs and covered call ETFs. We'll show you how to identify and evaluate these opportunities without losing sleep over market volatility. By spreading your investments across various sectors and industries, you reduce risk and increase the stability of your income stream. Think of it as not putting all your hopes and dreams in one basket. With these advanced strategies, you're not just investing, you're building a robust financial ecosystem that works for you around the clock. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks in the world of dividend investing. Ready to take your dividend game to the next level? Let's get started. Let's talk about the pitfalls that new dividend investors often encounter and how to steer clear of them. First on the list is chasing high yields. While high-yield stocks can be tempting, they often come with increased risk. It's crucial to look beyond the yield and assess the company's financial health. Next, failing to diversify. Putting all your money into one stock or sector can be a recipe for disaster. In general, look for dividend yields under 20%. I know some of you might be saying that is way too high, but for specific strategies such as covered call ETF investing, high dividend yields can work long-term. Diversify your portfolio across different industries and asset classes to mitigate risk. Another common mistake is neglecting to reinvest dividends. Reinvesting your dividends can significantly accelerate your portfolio's growth through the power of compounding. Don't forget about the importance of research and know the company you are buying into. Relying on stock tips or following the crowd can lead to poor investment decisions. Lastly, avoid emotional investing. Market volatility is inevitable, but making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed can derail your long-term strategy. Think of the people that got out of growth stocks like Facebook after it IPO'd or Netflix years ago when it dipped down. Now both of those stocks have long recovered from the dips and have made some people a lot of money that stuck with it. Stick to your plan and stay focused on your goals. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can set yourself up for long-term success in your dividend investing journey. Remember, it's not just about earning dividends, it's about building a sustainable and resilient portfolio. So, are you ready to invest smarter? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue exploring the world of dividend investing together. Let's get into essential tools and resources for dividend investing. Websites like Dividend.com, Seeking Alpha, and Yahoo Finance offer comprehensive data on dividend yields and company financials. Books like The Little Book of Big Dividends and Dividends Still Don't Lie are must-reads. Apps like Webull, M1 Finance, and Stash make managing dividend stocks easy. Check out the links in the description below for these app websites. Stay updated with financial news platforms like Bloomberg and CNBC. Ready to take the next step? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue our journey into dividend investing together. So now you've learned how to wake up richer with minimal effort and even count dividend checks instead of sheep. We've explored the secret society of dividend earners and discovered why working for a living is optional when you're earning passive income. From investing just $5 a day to using advanced dividend strategies, you've got the tools to turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Remember, dividend investing isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your time and living life on your own terms. By leveraging the right tools and resources like insightful books, handy apps, and vibrant online communities, you can build a robust dividend portfolio that grows over time. Now it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and let the magic of compound interest work in your favor. The journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. But every step you take brings you closer to your goals. And check out this next video I selected just for you.